The London Borough of Southwark is located south of the City of London. The Tower Bridge is probably one of the most famous buildings in this district. Today is July 29th, 2024, and it is 26 degrees Celsius with sunshine. Today we will take you on our journey from the bridge over the southern bank of the Thames to London Bridge. The bridge is busy, and if you are looking for tourists, you will find it here. 40,000 cars cross the bridge every day, and over 500,000 visitors are counted every year. Here we find a visitor platform and a museum. On the left we see HMS Belfast C-35, a town-class light cruiser. She has been moored here in the Thames as a museum ship since 1971. We walk down Tower Bridge Road to Queen Elizabeth Street. Here we find shade, and the Duchess Walk takes us away from the noisy street. You can see it well here. When the middle part with the carriageway for ships is folded up, you can cross the bridge on foot via the upper part. Opposite we see the Tower of London. To the left is the City of London district. Via Queen's Walk, we come to the Jubilee Walkway. From London Bridge, we see the path we took again. From the jetty, you see on the right on the river we will later take the Uber boat to Chelsea. But that's another story and we'll tell you later. We now go towards the city and immerse ourselves in the stream of people.